Introduce short picture overview of KOMAN Camp Gas Stove, Camping Propane Stove, Portable Bottletop Backpacking Stove, Adjustable 10,000 BTU Burner, for outdoor camping, hiking, fishing, cooking. Fuel by 16 ounces propane, camping cylinder, propane not included. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.